ìgbìmọ̀ àṣejọba wọn mo kí ọ̀gá mi pàtàkì SSA Public Transportation Honourable Fẹ́mi Adélẹ́yẹ Famu mo kí ọ̀gá mi gan Honourable Dèjì Adéṣọ̀gàn Jairu. A wà ní inú àdúrà pàtàkì ọdún 2014 ní nǹkan bíi wákàtí méjì sẹ́yìn. A wá ń fi àsìkò yìí a wá lórí ọ̀fẹ́ wípé a wà nítòsí iléeṣẹ́ ìjọba. A wá ní ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà wa nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ àhesọ tó ti wà nígboro tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ bí nǹkan bí ọdún kan àbọ̀ wípé tí gómìnà bá ti wọlé lẹ́lẹ́kejì wípé ṣe ni wọ́n fẹ́ lé àwọn ọlọ́kadà kúrò lójú pópó. Ṣùgbọ́n a ti ń sọ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ wípé kò ní rọrùn kí bàbá kó tún ilé ṣe tán kó ní káwọn ọmọ ìjọ jáde nínú ilé. Gómìnà wa ṣe títì tó dáa fún wa. Àwa náà lọ́bẹ̀ ṣe fún. Àwa náà lọ́bẹ̀ máa lu títì náà. Ìdí nìyí tó fi dá wa lójú wípé àhesọ lásán ni. Ní nǹkan bí oṣù méjì sẹ́yìn nínú ètò gómìnà ṣàlàyé ọlọ́lá gómìnà fi dá wa lójú wípé àwọn kò ní lé ọ̀kadà kúrò lójú pópó ṣùgbọ́n ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. Ní oṣù tí a wà yìí wọ́n tún fi dá wa lójú ní èdè Yorùbá ní èdè abínibí wa wípé òfúùtù fẹ́ẹ̀tẹ̀ àṣà àti òní káwọn lọ̀rọ̀. A dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà fún ìdánilójú yìí. A mọ̀ wípé ọ̀rọ̀ wọn àdéhùn ni our word our bond. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà fún èyí. wọn kì í ṣe ọlọ́run ṣùgbọ́n awímọ̀ ìyẹ̀wò ènìyàn ni wọ́n. a dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn wípé wọ́n mú ìlérí wọn ṣẹ fún àwa ọlọ́kadà lóòrèkóòrè. ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n pe ọlọ́lá gómìnà ní December 22, 2012 ẹ ṣe ìlérí kan fún àwa ọlọ́kadà, ìlérí tó ṣe é fojú rí ni ṣùgbọ́n títí di àsìkò yìí tí mú ìlérí yẹn ṣe mo mọ̀ pé ó ti wà lórí tébù yẹn sọ fún wa ńgbà kan ní May 2013 pé ó wà lórí tébù yìí mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé lágbára Ọlọ́run láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà pé ẹ mú ìlérí yìí ṣe ìlérí nípa pọ́ọ̀sì fẹ́ promise wa ní 2012 wọ́n bí dáa lójú pé kékeré lẹ́sìn ní bàbá wa lẹ jẹ́. Àwa tá a wà ní ìgboro Adó péréte ní branch mẹ́ta la wà níbí kì í ṣe gbogbo ọlọ́kadà ìpínlẹ̀ Èkìtì. Àwa tá a wà ní ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Adó la wà níkàlẹ̀. Nígbà tó wá di àsìkò tí a bá máa wá kí n ní ẹ̀rùdà abẹ́ bà yín mo mọ̀ pé ẹ̀rù nígbà yín torí pé bàbá lè jẹ́ sí wa ọmọ la jẹ́ sí yín lágbára Ọlọ́run á fi yín síbẹ̀ pẹ́. Gbogbo ogun tó bá wà lọ́nà nìkan bíi oṣù mẹ́rin sí àsìkò yìí Ọlọ́run á mú kúrò lọ́nà. Mo mọ̀ pé nígbà tó bá máa fi di June 22 orin ayọ̀ la máa kọ lẹ́kìtì.
Intelligent Okada rider, hard-working Okada rider. Mo ká síwájú àwọn èèyàn mi. Martins, mo sì kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ mi tí ẹ wà ní àpéjọpọ̀ ìlọ́sàn-án yìí. Mi mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ ń ṣàdúrà ọdún tó yẹ pé mo mọ̀ ní èmi gan ìbá tí wàá bá yín bẹ̀ kájọ ṣe. Àmọ́ inú mi dùn pé ẹ yà láti kí mi. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ìrìn àjò yìí kò ṣẹ̀yìn yín o láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ńgbà táwọn ọ̀yàn gan ò mọ̀ pé ó lè yọrí sí rere ẹ̀dúró gbọ̀ngbọ̀n. Ńgbà tí wọ́n kàn tiẹ̀ ń padà tó ń kó gan ọ̀tọ́ láwọn ohun ọ̀fẹ́ yín lọ́nà nítorí pé ẹ̀yìn ṣe fífa ẹni ẹ̀dúró. Ìyẹn ló ṣe pàtàkì o. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí àwọn ọlọ̀tẹ̀ kan fi ọ̀tẹ̀ bá nǹkan tó dáa jẹ́ o. Ṣé ẹ gbérin? Ẹ gbérin. Ẹ bá ti máa gbérin, màá dáhùn kan lè tẹ́ máa bá mi kò. Tó ti yá. Ẹ má fọ̀tẹ̀ bá ń tó dára. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀kọ́ tí ẹ̀ tí ìgbà helmet mo ti ní kọ́ lọ bá mi fún gbogbo àwọn tí ò bá ti ní helmet ní helmet. sọ lóòótọ́ ni mo ti sọ pé inú mi ò dùn bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lára àwọn ọlọ́kadà mi tán wà ń gbòòrò wọ́n ṣe ń ní accident. Mi ò fi pamọ́, mo ti sọ fún alága, mo lè sọ fún gbogbo àwọn èèyàn wa pé mo fẹ́ ká kíyèsára kí a fi pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ ṣe. Ẹ̀yin lẹ sọ pé ọ̀nà ò dáa àti tún ọ̀nà ṣe. Èrè ta wá ń sá lórí ọ̀nà ó ti pọ̀ jù. Pé mi ò fẹ́ kí kọ̀ọ̀kan lára yín kó farapa, mi ò sì fẹ́ kí a pàdánù ẹnikẹ́ni láàrin àwọn ọlọ́kadà wa àtàwọn tẹ̀ ń gbé, kí àwọn kan wá ti torí yẹn kó máa parọ́ kiri pé mo sọ pé mo fẹ́ lé ọlọ́kadà kúrò ní àárín ìlú. Ṣé o pé àwọn ọlọ́tẹ̀, àwọn jàgùdà àná, àwọn alọ́kólóhùn kígbe tí wọ́n fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ jèrè iṣẹ́ tẹ̀ ń ṣe. Èmi dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ ń jèrè ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́, ẹ̀ ń tẹ̀ máa jẹ́ lọ ni. Torí pé ẹ dúró síbi òótọ́, kò sí nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Tán bá tún ti tẹ́ ẹ bá tún ti gbé èèyàn kankan lórí ọ̀kadà yín tó lóun gbọ́ báyìí wọ́n rán kó wá sọ ni o. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ti gbé wọn tó wá sọ pé àwọn máa gbọ́ pé báyìí nílò máa ṣe báyìí ẹni kó bọ́lẹ̀ gbogbo ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ kó bọ́lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kó. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń ṣe ìyẹn mo mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ẹni tó bá ti jáde tẹ ẹ gbé lórí ọ̀kadà tó bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ Fáyẹmí láìda ẹ máa ní kó bọ́lẹ̀ ni. Ẹ má lẹ̀ tí kó bọ́lẹ̀ ẹ máa wọ̀ ọ̀kadà yín bọ̀ bí ẹ gba owó tó yẹ kẹ́ gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ máa fún yín. Ìpolongo ìbò tí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ o, wọn ti rí nǹkan kan o. Wọn ti rí nǹkan kan, kẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ lẹ rí. Ìpolongo ìbò tí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ àmọ́ ṣe mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin ni tèmi, ẹ̀yin ni campaign manager mi tó pọ̀ jù. Ìpolongo ìbò ti yín ojoojúmọ́ ni, gbogbo ìgbà ni, ibi tó bá kù díẹ̀ káàtó sí àṣẹ. Ẹ̀yin ni tèmi, èmi ni tiyín. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe tó lè dùnkọ́ sẹ́yìn máa ṣe fún mi lọ. Kò sí, wọn ò lẹ́mìí ẹ̀. Wọn ò lẹ́mìí ẹ̀. Kò sórí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣe láìpẹ́ láìpẹ́ bọ́ọ̀sì tí mo ní mo fẹ́ fún yín màá pè yín wá bí láìpẹ́ àti bọ́ọ̀sì náà. lè sọ mo sì fẹ́ kẹ́ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ìgboro. Mo ti sọ fálága pé owó tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì ijọ́ méjì kó wá síbi kó wá gbà á.
Excellency, for presenting to you members, especially the delegates from each of the two political zones that will be representing the National Youth Council of Nigeria at the National Conference in Abuja for the brainstorming and learning on how to conduct themselves by the National Conference. And also there are other members of the National. It has become an eye-opener. But I don't want to take your time, sir, because I'm going to call the representative of the state, Southwest, to introduce the other delegates. But I just want to make a general comment that some of us and some of the delegates and all the members of the National Youth Council of Nigeria that have attended these eye-brainstorming 3-day sessions have been able to attest that it has become a landmark in their lives and that they will never forget the benevolence of His Excellency by providing this platform for them to learn. Even the delegates have attested to this. They have spoken openly and personally to some of us that they would like to continue to live in Ekiti State because they could see that this state is full of knowledge, and His Excellency is a man of knowledge that is ready to impart knowledge into the youth. Your Excellency, I crave your indulgence and your permission to invite Mr. Ibukoluwa Olembe to introduce the members, his colleagues from other geopolitical zones.
Your Excellency, I am from Nigeria. God, youthfulness is not a thing of age, it's a thing of age. I have a privilege today, but before I go from Enugu, we will have to go into the details. I permit you to have a government that is interested in building people's capacity. You have a government that is interested in going the extraordinary, beyond the ordinary. Then you have everything. You know, Ekiti, Ile-Iye needs so many things to solve. 3 years plus back when the young man came on board as the governor of the state, everything changed. Before it's all about can it be done. Now it is busy so that people will compare. Like I said in Abuja in a particular forum where the governor, I said, other youths, it was a prophecy that in Mr. Governor, other youths will still come back to the state. What you have done to us is so simple. You have made us to be true representatives of the youth of Nigeria. You have given us legitimacy of representation. Now we know we are not 6 out of 18, but we are 18 of 70% of Nigeria's population. Honestly, it's more than an eye-opener. It's new things every day. Even most of the resource persons, we engage and we told them what our governor has equally brought you to do for us. It's not about this confab alone. It goes beyond the confab. So now we have their emails, we have their phone number. They will not skip. We must all be part of the change agents in this country. We must be apostles in the temple of transformation and development. Now you have brought in the best in us. Mr. Governor, sir, God bless you. From the role of the youth, from managing diversity and forging unity, from a critical analysis of Nigeria, the past, the present, and our expectations for the future, from so many areas, feedback mechanism, how to go into ICT and what have you. Mr. Governor, you have done a lot. You have equally built us to face the world. We are ready now, as soldiers, to go. We equally, some of these tactics of intimidation, nobody can intimidate us again. We are well equipped to even face professors. To face those that have been there 30 years and tell them, you were there 1965, you were there 1970, you still want to be part of us again in 2014. To design a future that we will not be part of, we are going to say no. And of course, let me lead the rest of Mr. Temple Chineduche. To my immediate right, I have Temple Chineduchika. He's from Enugu State. He's representing the Southeast Geopolitical Zone. And of course, the man from the state, they call the state the food basket of the nation. He's from Benue State. Clifford Apple is representing the North Central. And he's an ambassador from Delta State in Nigeria, representing the South-South Geopolitical Zone, Ambassador Ojo. The man that is equally from another food basket, the lesser food basket now, in Taraba State, Allen Gupa is representing the Northeast. And to the, if you want to go into the security analysis of the country, you call it the most challenged zone in Nigeria. Don't let us say from the Northwest Geopolitical Zone, Abdul Kadri is representing the Northwest. So, Your Excellency, once again, you have prepared us for the future. And of course, well, my colleagues, once again, this is what we enjoy in Ekiti. Sir, if only we have the opportunity of naturalization, we can equally co-opt most of them so that Ekiti is the place. And of course, permit me, sir, to say a wonderful thank you to you. Wonderful thank you to your wonderful wife. Wonderful thank you to the youth department team. And of course to your personal boy, Akerotidi, has been so wonderful too. Very, very good. And of course, equally, it was an opportunity for other youths in the Ekiti State from the angle of Oluwayemi Osho and the party used to equally come in. Sir, out of all of us, if you make us delegates, we will make the change. Be quiet in that place. We are ready. We are equipped. And finally, to a particular aunt that has been turning things magically and decided to be quiet about it. Every time we get to him, while I was running to Lagos for the election, to tell you, I am doing this on behalf of my Oga. That is Oluwamayemi Agaramodu. He's been very, very, very supportive. So once again, Mr. Governor, I want to thank you for this privilege. And of course, while you were addressing the Okada people, I couldn't remember something. As the state chairman, through the youth department team, pastor and others, we wrote series of letters on the issue of our boss. And immediately you told the Okada people, I am giving you your boss very soon. I said, God, now I am here. And my governor has given Okada people. Thank God, because now you know it. And of course, the other time we only said something about subvention for the voluntary youth organization. And immediately you pronounced that on the issue of ticket, 2 days off, I said, God again. You did that on boss. You are going to do that of the subvention. God is so wonderful. He has been working. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.